We transport our eggs to our hatchery here. Farmers now are able to get fresh day-old chicks. Another thing, we have our technical representatives. A farmer doesn't pay any shillings to them.
You're welcome. What's your name?
Dr. Ronald Chiyaga, technical rep Kenchic, Uganda.
Okay. Tell us about Kenchic and what are you guys doing in this largest expo in Uganda?
Kenchic, we base on producing and hatching the old chicks to our farmers, but you can see our enterprise is so big. Our farmers were demanding for feeds, which pushed us to enter into the feed entity. We do your cuckoo feeds from starter, grower, and finisher. For the poultry products, we have the old chicks, broilers, layers, and Kenbros. Yes.
And if someone wants them, where are you guys located?
We are located, Shell Bakuli is our main distribution, but we also have other branches around Uganda, in Entebbe, in Katabi, in Mukono, in Jinja, and Wakiso. We have agents everywhere. I know our Kenchic brand.
So most poultry farmers in Uganda actually, they're facing a challenge of suppliers. Now that you provide us with these day-old chicks, we want to know, where do you hatch these chicks from here or you import them? How do you go about the whole process?
Before, our chicks used to come from Kenya.
Oh, okay.
But the major challenges we faced and our farmers, the issue was chicks could come here sometimes when they are tired, especially these heat days. So we discussed with our seniors and bosses who encouraged us that they will come here officially, and they came here officially in 2023 with a multi-million-dollar hatchery.
Where is it located?
It is located in Namave. It is located in Namave. We bring eggs. The breeder farms are still in Kenya. We transport our eggs to our hatchery here. So farmers now are able to get fresh day-old chicks, very active, and in all products. Because our hatchery now, we started with broilers, then we went to Kenbros and broilers. Now we are doing layers, broilers, Kenbros in our hatchery. But all the breeder farms are still in Kenya. But in the future, everything will be here.
Wow, what makes you unique? We have so many poultry enterprises around. What sets you apart from all of them?
We base ourselves on quality and the relationships with our farmer. Kenchic, generally, we don't base on only big farmers. We've made our farmers grow from 40 birds, 50 birds, and now until when they've made it to around 2,000, even 5K. Another thing, we have our technical representatives. A farmer doesn't pay any shillings to them. This technical person can visit their farms, and this technical person can teach our farmers issues of brooding. You know, our farmers fail at a lot technical-wise. So we discovered and we put that gap there. The farmer doesn't pay anything, you just buy chicks. Our technical people will visit you, will give you advice, and for your duties to look for market and selling. And another
interesting. I'm not going to let him finish everything. If you really want to know everything about Kenchic, he just mentioned where you can find them, and that's exactly what you should do in case you are interested more about Kenchic, right? Yeah. So that's it. I'm really happy that I landed on these people because I've been following them online, and maybe we'll have further discussions beyond the expo, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.